It is Big Daddy Vince, the Birdman, watching one of his favorite backyard birds. I'm watching two of my favorite backyard birds. That's pretty neat right there. I generally don't catch the white-breasted nuthatch on video. They kind of just do that, hit the feeder and leave. So the fact that I was actually videoing the rose-breasted grosbeak paid off, because the nuthatch, white-breasted that is, came by and gave us a little showing. So that was pretty neat. Look at the beautiful colors on that bird there. That is absolutely awesome. Jeannie, can you play some more? Oh, thank you. You never know what she's going to play. I'm so grateful that she even plays at all for me. This beautiful bird is a spring visitor. He is not around in the winter at all, even in the summer and fall. He usually visits my feeder for about a week in May, and that's it, and then off they go. I'll see as many as 4 at a time, but right now I just have this male. Beautiful bird to watch. Another beautiful bird to watch too is Mr. Redhead. He's making a little cameo this morning as I'm recording away. Hey, it looks like it's shaping up to be a great bird watching day. The rain has left. Uh-oh, squirrel. Did you see that lousy tree rat? Oh, that's the way it goes. He chased Mr. Redhead away. And speaking about going away, I think I'm going to go away for the time being and watch some more birds. So always remember, the bird is the word.